Hey, alright, I welcome everyone on board. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can export your design template from Elementor. When you are done with your design, you can make use of your design, you can reuse your design on another page. Instead of starting from scratch, you can save the design as the one which I've designed for a client. Now I can easily export the design into a template in which I can make use for another client. Now, or maybe your domain or hosting is about to expire, so that you don't want to load the content you have on your 6 page, you can save the templates so that you can import the templates on another page or another website. And we can just do some tricks on the new 6 page so that it can look original, like this one which I have here. Now for you to save your template, what you are expected to do is to come to where we have this update here, click at this button. You will see we have this save as template. Click on it. Now you are expected to give your template a name. Let me give it a name now. Let me save it something like strong. Now apps, name it as strong. The next thing is for you to click on yes. Since the template has been saved as strong, you will see the template in which I've worked on now. Now since I have saved this template, the next thing is for me to come down to this 3 button here, click on it and click on exports. The template will now be exported by downloading templates on my phone. As you can see, the template is being it's been downloaded now. When the downloading has completed, you are expected to go to where you have your downloaded file. Now my own is done. Let me go to where I have my downloaded file. Under download, this is the template in which I saved. Now the next thing is for me to rename this template so that I can know the actual template to work on a next design. Let me name this template as strong so that I can know that this template belong to strong. Now that's how to save template on Elementor. If you find this video helpful, click on subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now. One love.